Welcome to how to fix IPSec VPN server connection error on Windows computer. Let's get started. On your Windows computer, if you encounter the above error when connecting to IPSec VPN server, follow these steps. Registry Editor. HKEY local machine. System. CurrentControlSet. Services. Rossman. Parameters. New. DWORD 32-bit value. Disable IC name equal check. Modify. Value data 1. Restart your computer to apply the changes. Now you will see the error has been fixed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.